Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send or receive money quickly, but a traditional bank account felt like a roadblock? Maybe you're unbanked or underbanked, or perhaps you just prefer the simplicity of digital payments without the complexities of a full banking relationship. For many, Venmo is the go-to solution for seamless peer-to-peer transactions. But here's the million-dollar question: can you actually use Venmo without a bank account? It's a common misconception that Venmo absolutely requires a linked bank account. While it's true that a bank account offers the most complete functionality, especially for cashing out funds, Venmo has evolved. Today, there are several legitimate ways to leverage the power of Venmo even if you don't have a traditional checking or savings account. This isn't some hack or loophole, it's about understanding the full spectrum of features Venmo offers and how they can work for you. We're going to dive deep into exactly how you can navigate Venmo, send money, receive money, and even spend your balance, all without needing to tie it directly to a bank. First, let's establish what Venmo does require. To sign up for Venmo, you need to be over 18, have a unique U.S. cell phone number not linked to another Venmo account, and be physically located in the U.S. during sign-up and usage. You also need to verify your identity. This typically involves providing your legal name, address, and potentially your driver's license or government ID. This identity verification is crucial, as it unlocks higher transaction limits and access to certain features. Without it, your weekly spending limit is significantly capped. Now, let's tackle the bank account part. While Venmo recommends linking a bank account for full functionality, it's not a strict prerequisite for using the app for many core purposes. The key is understanding alternative payment methods and how to manage your Venmo balance. The most straightforward way to use Venmo without a bank account for sending money is by linking a debit card or a credit card. When you link a debit card, you can send money to other Venmo users without any fees, just as you would with a bank account or your Venmo balance. This is because debit card transactions are generally treated similarly to bank transfers by Venmo. However, be aware that if you use a credit card to send money to someone, Venmo charges a 3% fee. This fee is standard across most payment platforms when using a credit card for person-to-person transfers, as it helps cover the processing costs associated with credit card networks. So, if you're looking to send money fee-free, a linked debit card or your Venmo balance is the way to go. What about receiving money? This is where Venmo really shines for those without a bank account. When someone sends you money on Venmo, it automatically gets added to your Venmo balance. This balance functions like a digital wallet within the app. You don't need a linked bank account to receive these funds. As long as you have a Venmo account, you can receive payments. The real question then becomes, what can you do with that Venmo balance if you don't have a bank account to transfer it to? This is where Venmo offers several excellent options that make it a truly viable solution for managing digital funds without a traditional bank. The most versatile way to use your Venmo balance is with the Venmo debit card. This is a physical MasterCard debit card that's directly linked to your Venmo balance. It's issued by the Bancorp Bank, N.A., and functions just like any other debit card. You can use it to make purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted, whether it's online, in stores, or even for contactless payments by adding it to Apple Pay or Google Pay. The Venmo debit card offers significant advantages for those without a bank account. Firstly, it allows you to easily spend the money you receive on Venmo without needing to transfer it anywhere. Your Venmo balance is your spendable cash. Secondly, it provides access to ATMs. You can withdraw cash from your Venmo balance at MoneyPass ATMs in the U.S. without incurring any fees from Venmo. For ATMs outside the MoneyPass network, there's typically a $2.50 fee. This is a game changer for people who rely on cash for certain transactions or simply want to access their digital funds in physical form. The daily ATM withdrawal limit with the Venmo debit card is typically $1,000. Beyond spending, the Venmo debit card also comes with some appealing benefits. As of 2025, Venmo has expanded its commerce capabilities, offering enhanced rewards. For example, you can earn cash back at participating merchants like Walmart, Sephora, Lyft, McDonald's, and Walgreens by activating offers in the Venmo app. These cashback rewards are automatically deposited back into your Venmo balance, further increasing your usable funds. It's important to note that these are usually limited-time offers with a monthly maximum per merchant. The Venmo debit card also offers MasterCard's zero liability protection for fraudulent purchases and MasterCard Global Services for lost or stolen cards, providing an added layer of security. Another useful feature for managing your Venmo balance is the ability to cash a check. If you receive physical checks, payroll, government, or other types, Venmo allows you to cash them directly into your Venmo account using their in-app feature. You simply take a picture of the front and back of the endorsed check, and if approved, the funds can be credited to your Venmo account. There are two options for this. Get money in minutes. For a fee for payroll and government checks with a pre-printed signature, the fee is typically 1% with a $5 minimum. For other accepted checks, it's 5% with a $5 minimum. Get money in 10 days, no fee if you're not in a rush. You can opt for the no-fee option, and the money will be available in your Venmo account within 10 days if the check isn't returned unpaid. This cash a check feature is incredibly beneficial for individuals who primarily receive payments via check but don't have a bank account to deposit them into. It essentially converts your physical checks into a spendable digital balance on Venmo. Furthermore, Venmo offers a direct deposit feature. If you're eligible and have completed identity verification, you can receive direct deposits of paychecks, government payments, like unemployment benefits or tax refunds, and other recurring payments directly into your Venmo account. Venmo provides you with an account and routing number specifically for direct deposits. When providing these details to your employer or issuer, you would use the Bancorp Bank as the bank name. This means your paycheck or other regular income can go directly into your Venmo balance, ready for you to spend with your Venmo debit card or send to others. It's important to clarify that while Venmo can hold your funds and facilitate transactions, Venmo itself is not a bank. The funds you add to your Venmo account through direct deposit or the cash a check feature are typically held in one or more program banks and are eligible for pass-through FDIC insurance, protecting them up to applicable limits in case of a program bank failure. However, other Venmo account funds and cryptocurrencies are not FDIC insured. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.